everybody, today I would like to talk you about how you can change your eye color in Photoshop under 3 minutes. Okay, and in a simple way. Let's start. First of all, drag your picture in Photoshop and you just need one palette. Navigator is enough today. Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in the eye, your eye that with this one, a quick selection tool. Okay, you need the add one is better. Okay, if you have a mistake, don't worry, you can select the subscript from here. Okay, just pixel by 1 pixel. Okay, it's okay. And to add one and select the eye, subscribe. Just by 1 pixel. Okay, it's okay, don't worry. After that, you must change the color from here, image, and then adjustment, hue and saturation. Okay, what do you like? You can change the purple, the brown, the green one. Which one do you like? I think the brown is okay. And you can change the saturation to have a fantasy image if you want. Okay, it's okay. That's okay. And after that, you can deselect from here, select, and then deselect. Okay, finish. Have a good time.